So I wanted to sit down and finally film a quick update video of my life. I want to go over our TTC journey, my career, and this channel. So let's start with the TTC stuff. My last video was in June, and I haven't really updated you guys since then, but I am pregnant. So I actually got pregnant in June, like the last time I posted. So I'm about 25 weeks right now. This baby is due March 19th, 2009. No, pregnancy brain. March 19th, 2019, and my son, Jackson, was born May 19th, 2009. That's where I got the 2009 part. So they are almost exactly to the day 10 years apart, which is cool. And Jackson is such a good helper already. He always asks me if I'm drinking enough water, if I need anything. He won't let me lift anything too heavy. He's always like checking on me, just coming in and be like, oh, baby's growing. You know, I don't know. He's just such an adult, and he's gonna be so good. He's gonna be like another parent to this child. His stepmom just had a baby as well, so he's gonna get some good practice. This baby is a boy, by the way, so he's gonna get two brothers because his stepmom, her baby was also a boy, and this one is also gonna be a boy, and they're only gonna be like 4 months apart. So he has a sister on his dad's side already, but she is like 7, and for the past 7 years, he's been asking for a brother. Please, somebody give me a brother. So now he's got 2, so long awaited, and he's just like elated. So there's the TTC update. Let's do career update. So am I still working for Redken? Yes, I am. I'm still very much part of the Redken Artist Network. I haven't left the network or anything like that. I just am not doing in-salon classes. So if they need me for social media projects or events like hair shows, things that don't happen as frequently, then I'm all game for that. But I have taken myself off of the menu for in-salon classes just because it was far too much for me to handle during the whole ordeal with me physically, medically, mentally, emotionally. I just couldn't handle it. I also stopped working for like 3 months during that time. I just needed to stay home. So, but I'm back to work now. I'm back to my regular schedule behind the chair, so not much has changed there. So now I want to talk about my channel. That kind of brings me into my channel. I have noticed lately that I am not really like focused on hair 24/7 like I used to be. All I wanted to do in the past was be on Instagram and look at hair pictures and post hair pictures, and be on YouTube and look at hair videos and search hair videos and post hair videos, and it was just hair 24/7. I was very career centered, career focused, and I still love doing hair, but it's not where I find myself in my free time anymore. In my free time now, I find myself watching more motherhood videos, cook and clean with me's, like parenting things, YouTube mom videos, and I would like to incorporate some of that on my channel. I know not all of you will be into that, and that's totally fine. So if we're not on the same like season in life where you're not into that kind of stuff, then thank you for being here this long for my previous season of life, and I hope you stick around because I still am going to sprinkle hair things in here and there. I have a whole playlist saved of decoding DIY hair fails that I'm going to do again. So it's just going to be a mix. I'm just going to switch it up a little bit. It's not going to be a whole total change where I forget about hair altogether, but I do want to incorporate some things that bring me joy. So, and those like YouTube mom style videos are that currently. So if we're not in the same season of life, that's, you know, that's fine. I hope you circle back in a few years and join me on this season, if that makes sense. So that's where things lay with my channel, career, TTC. I think that's it. I've tried to film this video so many times and something happens, like the mailman just pulled up, and I'm really glad I got to finish it before he came to the door, because first it was the FedEx guy that came to the door, and then my husband came home, and I had to like do this 20 times. Or I was out of focus. So anyway, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you're excited for this change. I'm really excited to share more of my life and my home and my family with you. So I hope you stay tuned. Bye.